come to a comfortable seated position, either sitting on the ground with your legs crossed, sitting in a chair, or you can lie flat on your back. Wherever you are, just make sure your spine is straight and you can relax. Deepen your breath, breathing in and out through the nose. Draw your attention inward to your breath. Focus on the pathway of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Focus on the way your body moves as you're breathing, the way it feels as you're breathing. Allow your ribs to expand as you inhale and come back in as you exhale. Take a moment now to imagine what you would like your life to look like at the end of this year. Where do you want to be? What do you want to look like physically? How do you want to feel emotionally? Just go through the list in your mind. You can visualize an image if you'd like as well. Whatever you choose to do, just bring that to the forefront of your mind at this time as you're breathing. And take the time now to bring to your mind what your life was like during the previous year. All the things that happened, good and bad. And emphasize the things that you are grateful for. What are you grateful for that happened in your life during the previous year? And feel that gratitude moving through your body as you breathe. Hold this picture in your mind and take 10 more deep inhales and exhales. I'll count down from 10. And on the final exhale, let go and watch that image of yourself from last year fading away into the distance. We'll begin the countdown now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and on your final exhale, release that image of yourself. Continue to come back to the breath from here and bring that image of how you would like to be and feel at the end of this year to the forefront of your mind once again. Take a few more moments here with this image, visualize it, and breathe into it. Take one final breath in and out through your nose here, releasing that image as well and seeing it drift away. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing the light back in.